Many believe IT audit is just documentation or screenshots. But here's the truth. By 2026, IT audit roles are projected to grow alongside cybersecurity and cloud, with salaries often crossing six figures globally. Why? Because IT audits go beyond paperwork. They evaluate risk, test controls, and provide actionable insights that protect organizations from breaches and downtime. In this video, we'll bust the myths related to IT audit. IT audit is just documentation, myth or fact. Many believe that IT audits are merely about compiling endless reports and documents. But is there more to it than just paperwork? Let's dive deeper. IT audits are essential for evaluating the controls and procedures of an organization's IT environment. While documentation is certainly a component, it's far from being the whole picture. Audits involve a comprehensive review of systems and technology controls to ensure they align with organizational objectives and compliance requirements. Think of documentation as the tip of the iceberg in the IT audit process. Underneath this visible layer lies a meticulous analysis involving risk assessment, control testing, and verification of IT assets. Auditors scrutinize security measures, validate access controls, and assess data protection strategies. They also evaluate incident response plans and disaster recovery readiness, ensuring that the organization can withstand and recover from unexpected events. Furthermore, auditors often interview personnel and observe processes to understand how things are really working on the ground. This hands-on approach helps in identifying discrepancies between documented procedures and actual practices, bridging any gaps that might compromise security or efficiency. An effective IT audit serves as a roadmap for improving IT governance, risk management, and compliance. It provides organizations with actionable insights and recommendations to enhance their IT infrastructure, ensuring systems run smoothly while minimizing risks. So is IT audit just documentation? That's a myth. Documentation is a crucial element, but the essence of an IT audit lies in a thorough examination designed to strengthen an organization's IT landscape. It's about assurance, efficiency, and keeping up with technological advancements to safeguard the organization's future. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights. If you're serious about building your career in IT audit, cybersecurity, cloud, or governance, or you need practical career guidance and certification strategies, make sure you subscribe to IT-Infotek. Is an IT audit just about checking screenshots, or is there more to it? Let's explore this together. Many people imagine an IT audit as a tedious process of collecting and scrutinizing endless screenshots. While visuals often play a role, this perception overlooks the true essence of an IT audit. At its core, an IT audit evaluates the effectiveness of your IT controls to ensure compliance with various standards and regulations. Screenshots can be part of the documentation process. They serve as evidence, demonstrating that systems are configured correctly and controls are in place. However, focusing solely on screenshots misses the broader picture. An effective IT audit involves understanding systems, verifying processes, and identifying risks. Auditors review documentation, interview staff, and test controls to assess the overall health of IT systems. This comprehensive approach ensures that organizations are not just compliant on paper, but are actively managing and mitigating risks. So, while screenshots can be helpful, they are only one piece of the puzzle. The audit process often starts with planning, where auditors identify areas of risk. Next, auditors collect evidence, which might include screenshots, log files, and other documentation, to support their findings. Then, they analyze this data to provide meaningful insights. Communication is key in the audit process. Auditors work closely with IT teams to understand their environment and share findings. An effective audit should lead to actionable recommendations that enhance security and efficiency. So is IT auditing just about screenshots? The answer is clear. It's a myth. Screenshots are merely tools. The real value of an IT audit lies in its ability to provide a thorough evaluation of IT governance, risk management, and compliance. We hope this video helped clarify the true purpose of an IT audit. It's about much more than just checking screenshots. It's about securing your digital landscape. If you're serious about building your career in IT audit, cybersecurity, cloud, or governance, or you need practical career guidance and certification strategies, make sure you subscribe to IT-Infotek. In the world of information technology, there's a long-standing belief that IT auditors only report problems and not solutions. But is this notion a myth or fact? Today, we're diving deep to uncover the reality behind this perception. When we think of IT auditors, it's easy to imagine someone meticulously reviewing systems, pointing out deficiencies, and highlighting vulnerabilities. And while it's true that identifying issues is a significant part of their role, there's more to it than just problem spotting. IT auditors are trained to evaluate the efficiency, security, and compliance of an organization's IT systems. Their primary function is to ensure that everything operates according to industry standards and regulations. But contrary to the belief that they only bring problems to light, many IT auditors play a pivotal role in suggesting improvements. In reality, an IT auditor's report often includes recommendations based on best practices. While it might not offer detailed blueprints or technical solutions, it provides a roadmap for remediation and enhancement. This can be incredibly valuable for organizations striving to bolster their IT infrastructure. However, it's essential to understand why some believe that IT auditors don't offer solutions. In many cases, auditors maintain a certain level of objectivity by refraining from directly implementing fixes. This can be misconstrued as a lack of actionable insight. Yet their independence is crucial in delivering unbiased assessments. Moreover, IT auditors collaborate with internal teams and stakeholders, sparking discussions that lead to innovative solutions. By identifying gaps and weaknesses, they empower organizations to take necessary actions and even anticipate future challenges. In conclusion, while it's not entirely a myth that IT auditors report problems, it is a misconception that they offer no solutions. Their insights and recommendations serve as a catalyst for positive change. So rather than viewing IT auditors as mere problem finders, recognize them as critical components of a company's strategic development. Next time you hear someone claim IT auditors don't provide solutions, you'll know there's more to the story. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on IT and technology. Subscribe and like this video and comment "career" in the comments section. Drop us an email at support@it-infotech.com. Our team will get back to you with guidance and next steps.